Sandone Makaya, my name is Success Mavuso. Welcome to Speak to Create, another episode where it's about motivation and elevation. Vandaag sno Ivan Ntlantla, another upcoming star wasekazi waseprotea. So ngesikhuluma naye nje. Vandaag siyakuye nje sibake sitshele ukuthi uqalephi uyabi ubani. Ake siye kuye sorry nganaye. Mr. David.
None.
Man, means from music phone out here.
I'm fit to call.
Final.
Yeah.
Affair to Nangom Chita, Ivan Ntlantla. Means some phone. Welcome to Speak to Create.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was told about Ivan Ntlantla.
Ivan Ntlantla is a young man who was born in Guyane, in Kensani Hospital.
Vendor born?
No, Tsonga.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a mixed place. But yeah, I mean, I was born in a small township called Guyane.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the scale, primary.
Oh, primary, I'm actually Guyane until grade 7, whereby in Sinyabu High School, we shift as a blow my Josie, figure project training from Lapo, when Kedeza Midlands. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah. So in primary school, how about activities for hands and not just to show what we need, since we know what also chill about but the primary where the science maybe is going to be happy.
Yeah. Primary the word science is going to be happy because I started as an athlete. Being kitchen.
Okay, 100 meter or
being shy relay, relay. So Kalewanjalo, relay, but along the way I discovered talent. I think I was at the age of 7, 8.
Yeah.
Because I was doing grade 2.
Yeah.
I discovered dance. So that's when I started my whole career thing by dancing.
So from go as grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, since we athlete team like from your assistant primary
the primary I'm represent this scale from grade 2 grade 7 city relay number 1.
Yes, so present. So when I singathi la machita be ukuthi ngoba it's about teamwork. Mo gijima ngimele ngiphethe Python yana uyagijima ushila. So we will good. So when the communication being
kahle.
All right.
Yeah.
No. I guess nje social moya after that break sike shy walk akasitshele nje kabanzi ku high school ukuthi kwenzakalani but niyabona ukuthi umuntu bekwe leader uthi beka good kulezi marathon, so he was good in communication. Ke sizwe asitshele masibuye ukuthi beka great. Siyabuya. Welcome back to the show, Speak to Create. No, Ivan Ntlantla.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah, but to high school, but somebody not shy walk.
Shy walk.
Yeah. So high school, did you continue in the of kitchen, or did you take another one to put in town, or did you interest the cooler?
Alright. High school, my manje vele interest say cooler from kitchen, and I was exposed to a whole lot of things.
Yeah.
So I decided to kitchen. 2 years of which it was grade 8, grade 9.
Okay.
And then from grade 10, that's when I was exposed too much to entertainment and media.
Nice.
And then that's when I took off in entertainment.
Okay, to show it doesn't. After that, I'm sure I'm made that.
Yeah.
Okay. So much interest there, entertainment. What pulled you to be interested in that as entertainment?
Alright, since I discovered Uguti Vele, like my talent, so I thought Uguti taking my my talent as further as I could would bring me something at the end of the day. So ngithema ngiloko ngidansa vele kanjalo ngaqala nga-audition for ichika machika ngangena yabo ngafika lapha ngashaya into yami hayi yonke into yaba
so le mo iqala konje what's the name of the company lo iqalile?
All right, the name of the company ngiqalile manje is Grinders Gang Entertainment.
Was it the first or mhlawumbe waqala something and then as time goes on what discover igama, or is it from the first igama walithola Grinders Entertainment?
Alrighty, from the first khona company ngike ngasebenza nayo and then I got too much experience underneath it and then I decided again with okay sharp as in Grinders Gang wamele ibe into life yabona lo. But I didn't start this Grinders Gang movement ngiwani khona out yami ngiphethe of which I believe ukuthi manginayo is the guy of which I know ukuthi so push up line yabo lo mchita lo igama lakhe uRich Mabode ne. So ngithema ngihlangana naye vele saqala ke saba ama hustler big time of which
ngihlangana nesigela.
Alright.
Mhlawumbe usiqedile isikole.
Hayi sihlangane vele sisageleza so yabo mina vele bengisasumshana bengisashaya grade 9 sengifuna ukuquita ngalento zokugijima yabo awuthami ke ngoba benginew vele project leni ngahlangana nayo asahlala phansi ngithema ngithi ngithatha ukubheka we like minded yabona. So we decided to asivula company ibizwa ngeGrinders Gang. So I didn't start Grinders Gang alone yabona.
Okay, hence you know the show we speak to create. Did you speak these words before? Like ngoba namakutshela manje that's one day ngivula into yami so you know.
Yes.
And now so iboniyenze.
Yeah. Mina kahle kahle yazini I was that ambitious boy growing up yabona. And I always knew which whatever I say, like the power of my tongue would bring me something, you understand? Because when I started this entertainment thing, it was dancing. But I knew which one of the good days.
Both hands are in the shadow.
Being in simple blind. Just net to which I was now, just in crowd. Yeah, but then Temang born fair from rooting a dancer, Natata Leon to Leo, let me run with this vision. I think is on Tata as fair as I could. Sangan now Tamurechi. Young begging to any abon doesn't problem as someone is something no must not be company then that's when Grinders Gang came to life.
I just saw show more after the outbreak sinukubona lo Rich ubani lo Rich mabaqala this company bayiqala boyithu kwesizwe ngaye kabanzi ukuthi mabaqala one of the challenges since siyazi it's into life. I guess so show more siyabona. Welcome back again. You know, very interesting. SPEAK2CREATE is the star. But one thing interesting with manje, zanga qala one this Grinders Gang entertainment. I guess sizwe manje sisohlangana no Mpintshakhe. Konje bani Mpintshakhe?
Rich.
Siqale nje. Grinders Gang uqala another mistake with Rich.
Oh.
So I'm because already introduced him.
Okay, so senza siyambiza or siyabuya?
No, Uqala in between when ukukhuluma ngithi uzokhuluma naye bese no plus nanye la ukhuluma ngasekunde. Wasisiringe naye.
Okay, let me just do just that.
Sure. Welcome back to the show SPEAK2CREATE. SPEAK2CREATE Grinders Gang Entertainment ne awuthe one siphethe uRich. Plus nanga ake sizwe ukuthi thina sesukuru.
Nami ngivele lapha nathi sizwe ukuthi khambani.
Sure.
Hola.
Man Regis. Ustomele so ready. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, King. How's it?
Yeah, man, umpethu uyangitshela welcome to the show SPEAK2CREATE. Yeah, umpethu uyangitshela ukuthi you know we were like-minded naqala lento senimnandi you know and then tell me how did you start manihlala phansi you know konkhaya lento esekasi njuta ntata na nge spot but how did it work for Nina Nitu doesn't let's push this.
As much as being issue with the Grinders Gang, the company is established Ivini, but it was under a certain company that we were working with. Company dealing events, promotions, and marketing as well. So we ended up being the guru when it comes to marketing, and we decided to take our own way, see how we can.
You know how many years already, man, this in function?
The Grinders Gang. Yeah. The Grinders Gang has been established for about 2 years now.
Okay. And then how's the growth since now? How far are you now? Actually, you can specialize on.
Tina specialize in promotion, marketing, and we also do our events.
Okay.
We have some challenges which we face as entrepreneurs, because the finance is not there, but that's not something which is hindering us. We see a movement there programs. Now my initiative we are involved we have artists like KG the King that we're also pushing, guys who are doing things out there. An initiative called Start Now, which is going to be motivating a school kids. It's going to be going into schools.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so what can you say? Okay, manje umuntu kunomuntu ohlele ekhaya one-idea baruthana mali and nje hopeless akasanathemba as ngiyafana nendingi zami hayi ngiyahluleka bangivayela ngaphandle so wona kumele ngizihlalele phansi. What can you say when I reach?
You know, the aim is to never give up.
Okay.
And the best advice I could give somebody is to start now.
Faith, what do you think, Faith?
I mean, vele, I could say the aim now is to never give up, you know, because a little bit of an experience that we had with my guy here, no? We started this company with no budget, you understand? So at the end of the day, that shows Uchi namhlanje la sikhona, we actually looking forward to bigger things with our mindset, you know. So we're motivated underneath that hunger. We're motivated ngale nto ukuthi siyakwazi ukuthi siphume siyohasila yabona lona. So from mina kahle kahle ngathini ayikho into impossible la emhlabeni, and it seems impossible until it's done. Wena nje mawungaqala manje, start now and then you'll see what life has for you, you know.
Bafethu ngiyakhuthaza, unfortunately of isikhathi kuzomela sivaye, but before nitholakala kuphi kuma social network, banithola kanjani?
Alright. Kuma social network ku Instagram ungasithola @grindersgang or grinders_gang. Ku Twitter ungasithola @grindersgangza or @grindersgang_za. Ku Facebook ungasithola @grindersgang nakhona, and then hayi kuwonke ama social network nanoma ungasigugula ke mangaba usithola uthi grindersgang uzobona yonke into ku Google.
Yes.
Nizwele, what a motivation. Two young men inspired. I'm saying we can make a mark that won't be erased. Ekas lako naselafini yako. Now to yazi uzosithola kuphi. You can like my page, Speak to Create. Ungangithola futhi again ku YouTube. Hustlers Communication. For me na ngiyabonga South Africa. Let's keep having the positive spirit. For me na another episode, interesting one. Ngiyabonga. Thank you.